Hey guys, my name is Jules from Johnston Research and Performance, and this is the Remus axle-back exhaust from the BMW M2 Competition. Today we are at Burning Rubber Tire and Speed in Oakville, Ontario to have our customers' Remus axle-back installed. The kit is 100% stainless steel, with a shot-blasted finish and 76mm piping, as opposed to the OEM 70mm, allowing for better airflow. Remus provides integrated valves, using the original actuators to allow the driver to retain valve control. The kits are handmade by Remus in Austria to perfectly replace the OEM piping. The exhaust is lighter, providing an increase in performance, lower back pressure, and aggressive sound. Many tip options are also available to choose from to suit your style. And that was the Remus axle-back exhaust for the 2018 BMW M2 Competition. If you guys have any other questions regarding Remus or any of the other 200 brands that we have in stock, contact us today. Thanks for watching.